found a baby bird, guys.
Yeah, it has a broken wing.
Yeah, I don't know if it's broken. It's definitely injured, but...
Alright, you guys, we brought the bird in. We're getting ready to take it to the wildlife rehab. It looks like a robin, right?
Uh-huh.
So, this is little birdie. We actually found it in our neighbor across the street's yard. We were over there talking to her, and JoJo was trying to get the bird, but she's scared, so we're gonna take her. We saving lives today, Jenkins.
That's right.
Jenkins family, saving lives.
Right. Birdie, this little birdie talking to us.
What do you want?
Oh, your poor wing, buddy. Why are you talking? You strong. You strong, birdie. Strong. Oh, you poor guy.
Me too.
I think the dang neighborhood cats got a hold of him. But when we found it, it was on its back. Oh, baby.
What?
Buddy, take it easy.
Take what easy?
Those birds sliding all over the place.
Oh, boy.
Oh, his beak is okay.
Boy, it's not my fault Birdie don't got no seatbelt. It's not my fault. I didn't even pull off that fast. Sorry, Chirp.
Already giving the bird the names. Already giving Birdie its name.
We taking in all the strays.
Turn right onto
Chirp. Right? Oh, you poor guy.
Oh, I kind of think I know where we're going.
Yeah?
In the canyon.
It's in the
Next right onto 20th Street, then turn left onto Valley Drive.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, Birdie, you going for a little ride here. A right turn and then a left turn. Oh.
And then I have this person like right on my ass.
That's alright. Screw them. We got it. Injured. Yep. If we had ambulance lights, we'd turn them on right now. Wee 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 wee. Wee wee wee. Jenness. Wee wee.
We sound like the Minions.
Beedo, 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 beedo.
I like that movie, The Minions.
Me too.
And then coming to help, like the police officers or police.
The speed limit's 40, right? And I'm going 40. And look how close this car is to me.
I think it's 45 actually.
No, I just see the sign.
Oh, it's 40.
And it's 40. Look at them. Can you see them back there? Look how close they are. And it says 30 around the curves. So I'm going the
Why are you
speed limit.
vlogging me?
Don't worry about them. Don't worry about that.
Daddy.
I'm pretending, yeah, wave your hand so they think that I'm, well actually, it's actually better that they think I'm filming them. We got you on camera, yo.
Go.
Dinosaurs, Jackie?
Yeah. I see one down there.
Come on, Jaxon. Get on the sidewalk.
Mom, you have to jump too.
I did.
Oh, his eyes are closed.
Oh, smells like birds.
Ew.
It does, huh?
Oh, look, birds in there.
Shh.
Where's the ring to find the red bird?
Smells like bad breath.
Please push the button.
I see a parrot.
Hi.
Hi.
I called earlier. We found a bird in our yard.
Wing back to some flashes going or something.
I'm gonna get some of the
Mommy,
What?
Robin.
I see a
Number of
parrot.
animals is
A
1.
green
Age is
parrot.
2 weeks. Well, almost 3 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks old.
3
Wow,
weeks.
Okay,
3
so
weeks.
Robin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Robin.
And I'm gonna
Number of animals 1.
get her on some heat. She's really not doing very well right now.
2 weeks. I should say male or female?
I can't remember. Ma'am, did you say male or female?
Unknown.
Oh, unknown.
So we'll just wait. We'll bring it by.
Jaxon, your toy is loud. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, let's just turn it off. Mommy, go hold it for me, okay?
I know how to turn it
I
off.
did, already did.
No, no!
Okay.
No!
Yes, stop. Here, Jax. You guys fight too much.
Rescue her name and phone number. So that's us, right?
You could just put same as fine.
Poor baby.
I'd never get one, but
You guys, we took Chirp and we dropped her off. We donated because they save the animals by donation, so we donated some money so they could take care of her.
I wonder what kind of animal they got.
Probably birds, because this is just for birds.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's just
You
for
guys,
birds. Yeah,
I saw a parrot,
yeah,
a
see, they
green
got a box
parrot
too.
in there.
we did. So, you guys, I am not a bird person whatsoever, but when I seen that poor baby, she's only 2 weeks old. The lady was able to just look at her and tell that, and she was a robin. And she's about to be 3 weeks.
You
the lady
guys,
said.
can we play at the dinosaur park?
No, honey, Daddy's got to go to work. We're at Wendy's right now getting free chicken tenders. Y'all, I'm all by myself, okay? I just went and dropped the kids off at my mom's house. I want to film a few cleaning videos, and I just wanted to focus on it and relax. And let's be clear. Let's be 100. I just needed some time, okay? I just needed some time to myself, all right? Don't get me wrong, I love being a stay-at-home mom, but sometimes you just need some time to yourself, okay? And went to Wendy's. They're doing free chicken tenders today. If you say winner, winner, chicken tender, you get free chicken tenders, okay? Yes, babes.
They have a wagon. So I have.
Hey fam, hey, happy Thursday. It is the 5th? No, it's the 2nd. I'm still tripping. I'm still stuck in July, but it is the 2nd of August. We are at the zoo. I'm on a mommy date, hanging out with some stay-at-home moms, y'all. So we're out here. We brought our kids to the zoo. It's super windy. It's raining where we're at, but we are taking advantage of this semi-decent day where it is. So we thought we'd take you along with like, what is the point of this? Bless you. It's right here. Jaxon, no, Jenness, no. Jackie, no. Yeah, because they don't have names, that's how you can tell.
A big lion?
Ooh, look how beautiful she is. She went to change the baby.
Oh.
Nice. They're like just piling in there. You're getting a little bit of this. Is the fly getting you? Come on, let's go over here.